Do you know? YouTube doesn't recommend every video to its viewers. Keep watching to learn which type of content, or rather, which performance metric, is fueling the system. What's up guys, my name is Siath and today I'm going to show you YouTube algorithm guide. How your videos are recommended to viewers. Okay. Let's start the video. YouTube just exposed its own algorithm. In a video posted to Creator Insider, YouTube product manager Rachel Alves discussed how the video recommendation system works. She explained how videos get discovered, whether that's on the YouTube homepage or suggested content areas. Then she offered tips to make click-worthy videos for those places. I put the link of the video in the description box. This is valuable information for creators and yet, it's not life-changing advice to help you go viral. It's good to understand how the system works. But if that's your only focus, growing on YouTube will be the same challenge it's always been. The real focus should be your audience, not an algorithm. Viewers are the heart of the system, and the machinery is there to support their intent. YouTube's recommendation system is designed to find videos for viewers, not viewers for videos, Alves says. Above all, that statement is what Alves wants you to grasp. In the video I displayed on the screen, each secret about the algorithm comes with a caveat. Do you want to learn how YouTube recommends videos? Just keep watching. You can use the secrets now I'm telling you plus audience data to make better content. How YouTube recommends your videos to viewers. The YouTube algorithm has two goals when recommending videos. First one is helping viewers find videos they want to watch. And the second one is maximizing viewer satisfaction. Overall, YouTube wants people to return to the platform because they enjoyed being there. But finding the best way to do that took years of testing and correcting. In the past, clicks and views were supreme. YouTube recommended popular videos to viewers, even if they included clickbait titles and thumbnails. Around 2011, viewers shared their feedback, and it wasn't positive. Users didn't want sensationalized or misleading content on their homepages. To fix this, YouTube started prioritizing watch time in 2012. In theory, how long someone watches a video should reveal how much they enjoyed it. But like clicks and views, watch time wasn't a perfect metric. Just because someone watches a 15-minute video about dog training, that doesn't mean they enjoyed the experience. There could be other reasons they watched until the end. Maybe their puppy destroyed 3 couch pillows, and the owner desperately needed to correct the behavior. Eventually, YouTube decided that satisfaction indicates the value of a video. Instead of prioritizing how long someone watched, the better question to ask was, did they enjoy it? Would they do it again?